Lime powder is used in a wide range of applications, most commonly in the construction industry, that is, industrial use of calcium carbonate. Lime powder ball press, after years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, has the advantages of high pellet rate, low power consumption, compact structure and easy maintenance and debugging. Lime powder ball press, due to the roller forced extrusion, the product has high density, high strength, high hardness of 3, high characteristics, and lime powder ball press roller has good wear resistance, effectively improve the service life of the roller. The material formed by the lime powder pelletizing mechanism is energy-saving and environmentally friendly, easy to transport, improves the utilization rate of waste, and has good economic and social benefits.